Okay, so you want to set up yourself a solar system. So you're going to need three things. First thing you're going to need is some solar panels. Then you're going to need a charge controller. Then some batteries. And then from the batteries into the inverter. Oh, sorry, four things. But sometimes the charge controller and the inverter is in one unit. So that makes three. This is our solar array. We've got 24 250 amp, 250 watt panels, giving us 6 kilowatts of solar. The panels produce DC voltage, around about between 30 and 37 volts. We wire three together to give us between 90 and 115 volts. And that means the higher voltage will give us less current, less ampage, so we can put them down a smaller cable and it will travel further without loss. So from our panels, the next thing we need is a charge controller. This is a charge controller that will take the DC voltage from the panels, convert it into the voltage that the batteries need, charge the batteries, and then take the voltage from the batteries and convert it into 240 volts, and it's 5 kilowatts. So the price of batteries, especially lithium ions, has come down substantially, and now the lithium ions seem to be the best thing. So I've tried other batteries, but at the moment I'm using these. These batteries cost around about £800 each, and they seem to work really, really well. This is 200 amp hours, 4 Pylontech US 2000s lithium batteries. Each battery is 50 amp hours. So I've found that these 50 amp hour lithium ion batteries last me fine. I'm running two fridges constantly, 24 hours a day, a Wi-Fi, satellite internet all the time, and then during the day we're using electric kettles and electric ovens, and in the evening we can use electric kettles and things like that. So they work really, really well. I'll give you a price breakdown in a second. So at the moment you could buy 9 panels from Bimble Solar, 4 Pylontech batteries, and a inverter charger, 48 volt 5 kilowatt inverter charger, and delivered to Portugal for around about, including some wire, for less than £5,000. For that you'd get 2.4 kilowatts of solar panels as well, and that should do most people for most of the time. And on top of that, you'd have to make yourself a frame to hold the solar array, which would mostly cost you about €200 or €300 in metal, and you could put that together yourself, nuts and bolts. So I hope this is useful for anyone wanting to put a little solar system together, and thanks a lot.